Hello, so in this video I'll show you how to create a template with two dummy regions, and then in the page level I'll show you how to relate to that region some content but through modules. So I'll show you in the previous videos how to install modules. Modules are in our store where you can download and install it, which allows you to do some functionality based in no code. So you just need to basically to configure the configurations of each module. So basically the first thing is to log in our framework. We go to our simple workspace, to my first project, and first thing to do is we have already here a page. Let's see what is the template of this page. So I suppose it's the default template, as you can see, which will show you something like this. It's just one sentence. This template already contains two regions, but let's create our own template. So then we can simply select it here. So let's go to our list of templates. Let's create a new template. Let's call it new template. Let's edit it, and in these new templates let's simply create here a div where we'll put some text here. Doesn't really matter what it is. We can put it like as h1 whatever, and then in here let's select this div, these two containers, which is basically we have a left container and a right container. In this left container basically we will put a region called menu. In this other container we'll create a region called contents. Two different dummy regions, whatever. So we'll just save it, and then we'll go to our index page. We'll select the templates that we just created, as you can see here, and now we go here to the modules, and where we can drag and drop modules. So we'll use the menu module by default. Well, what we want is this one, the show menu, as you can see here. So just drag and drop here, and in here we have the configurations of this module. So in here I'll just create two different menu items called menu 1 and menu 2. This menu will go to google.com example. This is just an example. This one you can go to some page that I already have, which it doesn't really matter. I can add some parameters here. I don't have any, but I can just put, let's say, name equal to JP, whatever. And I'll just save this menu. Okay, basically I already saved it and it adds a block to that region. Now I will add another block, which is the print module, where in here I can create my own design. I can add an image, can add a link, I can do a bunch of stuff. It doesn't really matter what I put here now. This is just so you can understand what I'm doing here. Like example, image first, whatever. So I just save it and it shows me this. So if I save this and if I see my project, I'll see that I have the template at the top bar, and then I have the menu on the left side, and I have my content on the right side. If I click here, it goes me to Google. If I click here, it goes me to myself with the parameters that I put in. And that's it. It's a very simple template. Basically this helps you to understand the relationship between pages, templates and regions and modules. And that's it. Thank you very much.